In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off virus and threat protection in Microsoft Windows. To get started, open the Settings app by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to access your system's settings, and it works well if you want to make security changes quickly. Once Settings opens, look for Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu and click on it. This section contains important controls related to your device's protection, permissions, and overall security. From there, select Windows Security. This will take you to the main area where Windows manages built-in security features. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This section focuses on antivirus settings and helps you control how Windows monitors your computer for potential threats. When that page opens, scroll if needed until you see Virus and Threat Protection settings, then click Manage Settings. Now you'll see the option for real-time protection. This is the setting that actively scans files and programs as they're opened or downloaded. You can toggle real-time protection on or off depending on what you need. In most cases, keeping it on is recommended because it helps protect your computer continuously. If you're turning it off temporarily for troubleshooting or software installation, remember to turn it back on afterward to maintain your security. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to approve the change. This is a normal Windows confirmation that makes sure you want to allow security settings to be modified. While you're on this page, take a moment to review the other protection options available, including cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. These features can provide an extra layer of security by helping Windows detect newer threats more effectively. You can enable or disable these based on your preferences and your environment. After you've made your changes, close the Windows Security window. This helps keep things organized and confirms that you're done updating the settings. Finally, if Windows requires it, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Not every change will need a restart, but if prompted, it's a good idea to complete that step to ensure everything updates properly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to turn virus and threat protection on or off in Microsoft Windows, along with where to find the related security settings if you need to adjust them again later.